Imagine flipping a switch and watching your small backyard transform into a glowing oasis. Succulents sparkling, smart lights dancing, fire pit crackling, all under $150. No big crews, no endless weekends, just pure 2025 magic on a budget. Welcome to Relax Garden, your hub for small backyard glow-ups, budget outdoor ideas, and easy 2025 trends that fit any tiny space. Today, we're unpacking a complete under $150 backyard makeover. Drought-smart succulents, app-friendly smart lights, and a cozy fire pit zone that turns evenings into staycations. Perfect for patios, corners, or anywhere you want wow without the wallet pain. We'll cover the pics, the placements, and the glow that makes it all pop. If small space transformations and 2025 backyard vibes light you up, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Relax Garden brings fresh, doable inspo every time. Bring the glow up to life with low-water succulents that add instant texture and color. Perfect in pots, troughs, or gravel beds for easy, forgiving greenery that thrives anywhere sunny. Add smart lights like solar pucks, strings, or stakes that shift colors via app or timer, tucking them along paths under plants or around edges for effortless nighttime shimmer and safety. Create a fire pit zone with a simple steel bowl, lava rocks, and basic seating. Surround it with gravel or stones for that premium crunch and warmth, turning any corner into a cozy gathering spot. Mix these succulent displays, smart lighting setups, and fire pit areas however they fit your space. Total under $150. Pure 2025 outdoor magic. And that's your small backyard glow up under $150. Succulents, smart lights, fire pit zone, all ready to steal the night. Glowing star proof that tiny spaces can deliver a big 2025 impact without big spending. If this budget backyard transformation sparked ideas for your own corner, smash like, subscribe to Relax Garden, and share with anyone craving easy outdoor wins. Seedling, drop a comment which part you try first, and we'll shout out the best in our next video. More small space glow-ups, 2025 trends, and under $200 makeovers are on the way. Until then, grab your $150, step outside, and let your backyard glow like never before. Sparkles.